This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Logan Speaker. Well-maintained, 5-bedroom, 3-bath home in Moyock, only 4 miles from VA state line. This newer construction home has an open floor plan, formal dining room, eat-in kitchen, large pantry, and lots of storage. First floor bedroom and full bath. Primary bedroom on second floor has a walk-in closet, and a large soaker tub with a separate shower. With 3 additional bedrooms on the second floor with a separate laundry room. Custom upgraded fixtures, kitchen tile backsplash, Hunter fans, stainless steel appliances, beautiful backyard with stained and sealed pressure-treated pine fence. Garage features a built-in shelving unit and automatic door opener. Water softening system for the whole